Top 5 Chinese tipper trucks dominating Africa and emerging markets. Look around any major construction site, highway expansion, or mining corridor in Africa today and something will immediately catch your attention. You are surrounded by Chinese tipper trucks. They're in every county, every quarry, every ambitious project shaping the continent's future. But have you ever asked yourself why these machines have taken over so quickly? Why African contractors trust them with the toughest, dirtiest, and most demanding jobs? Today, you're about to discover exactly why, starting from number 5 all the way to the number 1 industry champion. At number 5, we begin with Dongfeng, the rugged workhorse. If you want a truck that keeps things simple, reliable, and easy to repair, Dongfeng earns your attention. Its Dongfeng Cummins and Yuche engines are straightforward and long-lasting, making maintenance predictable and affordable. With payloads between 12 and 20 tons, strong multi-leaf suspension, and durable tipping systems, Dongfeng performs best in rural construction, county infrastructure, and municipal works. For many upcoming contractors, especially in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, Dongfeng is the first accessible step into the heavy-duty haulage world. Number 4 is Photonomen, a precision truck powered by Daimler Engineering. If you prefer modern performance, improved fuel efficiency, and smoother driving comfort, Omen raises the bar. Its collaboration with Daimler introduces German-level refinement at a price point that still fits emerging markets. You get Cummins-esque engines, ZF automated manual transmissions, advanced suspension systems, and lighter dump bodies that boost fuel economy. This is why many international contractors and urban road agencies choose Photon for expressways, city bypasses, and high-standard transport operations. Number 3 is Shacman, the military-born powerhouse. When projects take you into brutal terrain mines, rocky escarpments, deep quarries, or long uphill hauls, Shacman becomes the dependable giant. With Weikai or Cummins engines delivering up to 430 horsepower and a massive 2,100 nanometers of torque, Shacman thrives where the ground is unforgiving. Man-licensed axles, reinforced suspension, and high ground clearance give this truck the confidence to perform where other trucks hesitate. From Ethiopia's highlands to Zambia's copper belts, Shacman has become the trusted backbone of hardcore industrial transportation. Number 2 is HOWO, the pioneer of China's automotive industry. HOWO gives you the perfect mix of durability, fuel efficiency, and clean engineering. It strikes that balance contractors look for when they need predictable performance without painful operating costs. HOWO engines, K6DM and Weikai deliver reliable torque, force and aggregates, and general construction loads. With payloads between 15 and 22 tons and solid steel dump bodies, HOWO supports contractors running tight budgets, daily operations, and medium-distance haulage. And at number 1 sits the undisputed titan, Sinatruk HOWO. When you talk about dominance on African roads, nothing matches HOWO. From government road contracts to private quarries, HOWO is everywhere, and it has built that reputation over decades. Its man-derived technology, with a 20 to 25-ton payload, HC16 heavy-duty axle, and HIVA hydraulic tipping system make it unstoppable in harsh conditions. Weikai and man-licensed engines generate up to 420 horsepower and nearly 1,900 nanometers of torque, more than enough for steep quarry climbs, muddy rural tracks, and overloaded site runs. HOWO has the widest parts availability, the largest service support, and the simplest repair ecosystem, making it the number 1 preferred truck for Africa's busiest work environments. These 5 giants, Dongfeng, Photonomen, Shacman, HOWO, and HOWO, form the backbone of Africa's infrastructure development. They drive the roads, bridges, dams, mines, and megaprojects that are reshaping the continent. As you explore emerging market construction, understanding these tipper trucks helps you stay ahead, make smart equipment choices, and lead your projects with confidence. To delve deeper into global construction insights, tap the link in the caption below and read the full article at constructionfrontier.com. And before you scroll, go through the next simple steps. Subscribe, follow Construction Frontier, and click the link below to read the complete article.